Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can always trade on the trend, using all the price traps that you all always come across. Well, at least you definitely, at least a couple of times, have already come across this trap, this manipulation from the market. But I learned to manipulate them, and today I will show you how to do it in this video. But before starting the video, subscribe to my Telegram channel Xtrade, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Here I publish transactions every day that I open, and you can also learn from them. Also in the pinned post we have information about our training. If you are interested in my training and you want to learn how to trade as effectively as I do, then write to me in personal messages. We will discuss all this, so go to all the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's start with this example. This is just a classic rising trend. To begin with, I will explain what IDM is, how to define it. This is a market trap, a price trap, when the price incites people to open transactions in the wrong direction. They see the release of IDM, think that there is a break, and start selling here. As a result, the price very often just knocks them up. And it can be any pig, it can be small, it can be big, it does not matter. This is not a fake break, as fans of smart money and ICT like to say. The price always removes the stimulus, that is IDM, the incitement confirms the upper point. Next, the next goal is to update the IDM, make a boss, that is, a break in the structure in the continuation of any rising trend. We sign it as boss. After the price updates the IDM, a new point is created here. That is, if we did not have the removal of the inducement, we would not have the upper point, and accordingly there would be no lower point either. Here we also see a secondary movement. Also, the price removes the inducement, confirms the secondary maximum, makes a secondary boss, and confirms the secondary minimum. Where will the next maximum be confirmed? We already have a minimum, we must find a new maximum for it. It will be confirmed here. Not here, but here, because it was from this maximum that the movement that removed this inducement began. Now we must measure our range from this minimum to this maximum. We see that we have 0.5 from trading. Accordingly, the LOI, which will be confirmed here after the new boss, that is, the price makes a boss, updates this high, and a new LOI is confirmed here. This LOI will be strong, and when the price breaks it, we will really have a change in the nature of the trend and not a fake removal of liquidity. Then the price goes up, confirms a new maximum in this place because, again, it removes the inducement and it always goes up, up, up. And just such a removal of IZN and works on any market. This is his truth, this is a sacred grail because his logic is indisputable. When the price removes the inducement, makes a fake boss, people start selling. For a real turnaround in the interest zone, we are looking for such a step, that is, a check and the removal of the inducement in the opposite direction and a fall. When the price confuses people. First they want to sell here, then they start buying here, we see a reaction trading because there is a fight, and as a result a fall down. At first, the price bites them to open the charts, they opened here, put the step here, then she took it all off, bitten them to buy here from the imbalance itself. As a result, it fell down. Accordingly, this is how logic works. Let's analyze real examples. We have a time frame M5, what do we see here? We have a top point, because the price goes down, the price removes the inducement. People think that there is a break, and they start selling, plus they see the entry for the middle sliding EMA line. This is our deviation under the line. In fact, we have to buy here and we see a reaction. The price removes the feet of people who tried to go on sale here. But then, after removing these feet, the price starts to fall. And why does it start to fall? It seems to have happened here. In fact, the boss here has been confirmed because the price has updated this high. And you think that there should be a new minimum, but this is not so. Firstly, the boss was a shadow. Secondly, note that in the impulse from this minimum to this maximum, we do not have a new correction on which the inducement would be. Therefore, the inducement will be on this minimum. The price removes it. The high moves from here to here. And the low moves here, that is to other points. We put them here. Accordingly, these points are no longer relevant. And we continue our trend. There is a new boss. The price updates this maximum in this place and confirms the minimum here. The new maximum is confirmed here. Here the price removes again. The inducement makes a buy. The first buy, the second buy. Buys are impulsive movements that encourage people to open transactions in the wrong direction. I already shot a video on my YouTube channel on this topic, then look. Also, we were in this area. The second quarter. This is an area of interest in which the price always works out. Without reaching 0.5, soon I will shoot a video on this topic. SNA also makes a deviation along the EMA line. Here, and then just goes up. Makes a new boss. In this place. And confirms the new minimum here. Here. The same here. The new maximum is confirmed in fact in this place. SNA removes the inducement in. People are encouraged to open the charts. On this wave, what does SNA do? Goes up, makes a break here. And on this rebound, they could not. Retail traders think that there will be growth. Therefore they saw him, wanted to buy further. And on this correction, they have already tried. Here, further, buy, enter this movement. SNA broke them. After this buy, here, they remove it, this buy, without reaching 0.5, which is very important. Not an obvious reversal. She just fell down. Trade. What is very important, 0.5 of this impulse, and went up in the end. Made here. New. Boss. Higher update. And confirmed here. New low and a new point. This is how the structure goes around. Subscribe to my channel. Links will be in the description and in the pinned comment so as not to miss a lot. Useful transactions, useful information, and also come to my training. Here I will be soon. Teach the best trading strategy which works on this market. Good luck to everyone, and